Good morning, Northwest. I'm Natalia Ramirez.
And I'm Will Larson. Today is February 6th.
And we're back with this week's episode of
Cougar Roundup.
Hey Will, were you able to see the Orchestra concert last Tuesday?
No, but I heard it was absolutely fantabulous.
I'm sure it was. Michaela and Ivan checked it out.
Last Tuesday, the Orchestra had their first concert of 2024. We talked with Orchestra students to get more of an insight to see what goes on inside the classroom and during concerts.
I joined in 8th grade because I was new to Trailbridge and I had taken violin lessons before. So, I don't know, I was 7. My mom put me in violin lessons. I feel like playing music in a big group is way more fun than like playing by yourself. We have I feel like we have a wide range of people in orchestra, but we kind of all get along, so it's fun.
I joined in 5th grade, mostly because my sister was in orchestra. I play violin. I actually wanted to play cello, and my mom said it was too big and too expensive, so I play violin, and I'm glad I stuck with it. I really like playing music. I just love music a lot, so getting to play it in an orchestra is really cool. I don't know, it's just kind of a place where you can like be yourself, and I'm not really worried about people judging me. And like I said, I love music, so getting to play it with a bunch of other people, it can sound really cool, and it's a lot of fun.
This is Ivan Brunsky and Michaela Malinowski signing off for KUGR. Back to Natalia and Will.
Thanks, guys. Each Wednesday, Poetry Club meets in the morning to learn more about the art form.
Donovan and Brody were there to increase our knowledge on this club's goal.
Do the lines of Edgar Allan Poe or Walter Whitman intrigue you? Well, I think I know something right up your alley. Why don't we open up the doors to Poetry Club?
Honestly, personally, it was during pandemic, 8th grade era of pandemic, and I got into spoken word poetry. There was a YouTube channel called Button Poetry, and I really got into it, and I enjoyed poetry ever since, honestly.
I mainly joined it because I have a lot of friends in the club, also because I figured, joining a poetry club would help me, get more into literature. I had never really read a lot before the club, so I figured joining a club like Poetry Club would be a good idea for me.
Me and Katie actually last year were talking about having a poetry club, and then we found out that Autumn Posey, who was the president at that time, was trying to kick it back off again, and we thought it was a great time.
It's encouraged to write your own, but you can always find a poet online and share their work if you really like it too.
I feel like that's the biggest worry is, what if I'm not that good at writing? You can always bring your own. You can bring a funny one, you can bring a serious one. We're all just here to share the art of poetry. Pretty low stress. Sometimes we have treats like donuts or drinks, that kind of stuff. It's super chill.
If that caught your eye, then you should join Poetry Club. They meet up Wednesday mornings at 7:10 in room 212. But now, let's jump on back to the studio.
Thanks, Brody. The bowling team has done pretty well recently, haven't they?
I guess you could say that, but we're better.
We'll see about that. Nick and Nathan had us challenge the team, and, well, you'll see how that went.
Well, Northwest, that's all we have for you today.
Tune in next week for another episode of
Cougar Roundup.